Friends, today I am not taking you to just another tourist destination. Today I am taking you to a place where time was calculated before clock existed, where life and death are discussed openly, and where people don't come to ask for something, they come to let go. This city is Ujjain. If you watch this video till the end, Ujjain will not remain only on your screen. It will slowly settle inside your mind. Ujjain's ancient history, Avantika. To understand Ujjain, we must go thousands of years back. In ancient India, there was 16 great kingdoms known as Mahajanpads. One of the most powerful among them was Avanti Mahajanpad, and its capital was Avantika, present-day Ujjain. Ujjain was not just a political capital, it was a global center of education, trade, astronomy, and philosophy. When many parts of the whole world were still discovering basic civilization, Ujjain already had gurukuls where mathematics, astrology, and scriptures were taught. Great scholars like Kalidasa and Varamira are deeply associated with this sacred land. Ujjain, the city of time. Very few people know this fact. For centuries, India's prime meridian passed through Ujjain. Time in ancient India was calculated based on Ujjain's longitude. That is why Ujjain is known as Kal Nagari, the city of time. Here time was not read from clocks, but from the movement of sun, moon and stars. Even today when you walk through Ujjain, you will notice something unusual. This city teaches you to slow down. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling, Lord of Time. Now we come to the soul of Ujjain, Sri Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga. Among the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva, Mahakaleshwar is unique. This is the only south-facing Jyotirlinga. In Hindu philosophy, a south-facing Shiva represents victory over death and fear. Mahakal is not worshipped as a god of blessings alone, but as a controller of time itself. Bhasma Aarti at around 4 am, when the entire city is still asleep, Mahakal awakens. Ash or Bhasma reminds us that the human body is temporary. This ritual teaches humility, detachment and acceptance of truth. That is why devotees say no one returns empty-handed from Mahakal's court. Harsiddhi Mata Temple, center of Shakti. Very close to Mahakal stands Harsiddhi Mata Temple. This is considered a powerful Shakti Peeth. In the evening, the two massive lamp pillars are lit and hundreds of oil lamps glow together. At that moment, the entire atmosphere feels charged with divine energy. During Navratri, this place becomes spiritually intense. Kal Bhairav Temple, mystery and protection. Ujjain is also home to one of India's most mysterious temple, Kal Bhairav Temple. Here, liquor is offered to the deity. This is not about intoxication, it is symbolic. Kal Bhairav accepts all negative energies and destroys them. That is why he is worshipped as the protector of Ujjain. Ramghat and Shipra River, signs of Kumbh. Ramghat is the heart of Ujjain. Here flows the sacred Shipra River. Every morning and evening, Aarti is performed, creating an atmosphere of deep peace. Simhastha Kumbh. Every 12 years, when Jupiter enters Leo zodiac, Ujjain hosts the Simhastha Kumbh Mela. This is based on precise astronomical calculations, not blind belief. That is why Kumbh is considered the largest peaceful gathering on earth. Jantar Mantar, India's scientific legacy. The Jantar Mantar of Ujjain proves that ancient India was scientifically advanced. Using stone instruments, astronomers calculated time, eclipses and planetary motions. Even today, their accuracy matches the modern tools. Sandipani Ashram, Gurukul education. This is the place where Lord Krishna and Balram studied under Guru Sandipani. Education here was not for careers, it was for character, discipline, humility and duty. These were the real life lessons. Simple life of Ujjain. Ujjain lives a simple life. People are calm. Their needs are few. Their faith is deep. Local food, prasad and market reflect simplicity and devotion. Ujjain does not give memories. It gives realization. It teaches you that time is precious, ego is temporary, and peace lies within. Ujjain is not visited, it is experienced. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.